Okay, one 16-ounce mocha. Oh! Oops. I just put in 2 mochas. Whenever you want to erase something from the cash register total, press the Void button first. Then, if you want to take out a certain item, like a 16-ounce mocha, press the button corresponding to that item. Okay, so that's 12-ounce latte and $6 for the cup. Oh, wait, that's $5. Oh, how do I get $1 out? Like before, press the Void button first. Then, if you want to take out a certain amount, like $1, enter that amount and press the 1 over on the right. So that's $2.25 for a 12-ounce latte and $5 for the cup.